Hi, my name is Ross Robino, and I'm going to show you how you can use the cross-document view transitions feature to animate between pages in a multi-page application. This feature has recently landed in Chrome version 126. It's a progressive enhancement that enables animations between pages with the same origin. Previously, we did not have a way to animate between these pages without the use of a client-side JavaScript router. This feature opens up possibilities to static sites and multi-page applications. For example, if you used a framework like 11D to unlock these animations between pages without the use of any extra JavaScript. So here's a minimal example on how to enable these transitions and how you can add an animation to a specific element that you want to transition between the two pages. I wrote a blog post on this. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to follow along and get the code for yourself. So we'll start out with two HTML pages. These pages are almost identical to each other, and we'll also combine this new view transitions feature with the speculation rules API. You can read more about that. I'll put the link in the description as well. It ensures our navigations are running as quickly as possible, and in turn, our animations will also run smoother. So we'll copy this content in. And you'll notice we switch the location of the anchor and the H1 tag on the second page so we can better see our transition when that heading moves around. So the first thing we'll do is just add a crossfade transition. So both pages link to the same CSS file. So this CSS that we're writing will apply to both. And we can copy this in. The first piece of code here is the @viewTransition rule. And it specifies the property of navigation to auto, which will enable the view transitions between both pages and provide a crossfade animation by default. This next piece of code ensures that none of our view transitions will run if users prefer reduced motion. So it's an important accessibility improvement there. So let's see this in action. We can see when we navigate to page 2, there's a crossfade animation. If we turn our DevTools off, we can see the crossfade between those. Next, if we want to do a flip animation, we can have the heading element move from its first position to its position on the second page. So how can we do this? We need to set a view transition name on the heading element on both pages equal to the same value. So we're just going to set it to the value heading. And what that'll do is it'll tell the browser to take a snapshot of where the element is on the old page and animate it to its new position on the new page. So we'll see it move from this position down to under the link on the second page here. And our last animation here will be a custom one. So you can create keyframes animations and use those in your cross-document view transitions as well. So you can specify a view transition old and a view transition new. So I've specified two keyframes here, slide out and scale in. And we're going to target the heading element. So this corresponds with that view transition name. So the old one, we're wanting to do a 1-second animation, ease in, out, and we're going to use the slide out animation. And then for the new one, we'll do the same, except for we're going to scale in the new heading. So that's the code all together now. We'll copy all of that over. And we can see how that looks. So this is a great way to add animations to your application without needing any extra client-side JavaScript. Here's a more extensive demo from the Google team, which showcases more of the cross-document transition features. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this video. Have a great day.